In this video, I will show you some real life examples and earning potential from these AI avatar videos and how you can sell your services online. Like if you check my previous video, I shared a few YouTube channels with you. Like one of the channel is this one. It is totally on AI. He is using AI avatar, AI voice, and everything, script writing, and the whole video is recorded with AI. And this is the one way you can monetize your work. And the other is Upwork. You can just search your AI avatar, and there are a lot of jobs here. You can just apply on the jobs. I will show you in my last videos. Like if you see here, there are a lot of YouTubers who need these kind of services. Like his budget is 500, his budget is 250, 15 to $40 per hour, 18 to 39 per hour. And there are a lot of job. If you see on a daily basis, there are a lot of people offering these kind of services here. And if you go for the Fiverr, you can search AI avatar. So people are charging with you can say different rates, like they are using different tools. The videos I showed you here, like this one,
Hey, Mom.
and if you see this one, these are the most realistic one with the camera movement, the style, the hand movement. These kind of video you can charge more instead of using some basic tools like HeyGen and other tools. Those are very basic. But if you are using these tools, I will show you some tools here. If you are using these tools, you can charge more. There are a lot of other examples here you can see. So in our next video, I will show you more. Thank you for watching this.